So I'm recording. So here's the question. How do I get my lines to show up at the right weight? So the first thing you have to do is come down to the little 3 bars on the end at the lower right hand corner and make sure that your line weight button is showing. So that's number 1. Once it's on there, you click on it and you right click and you open up this thing that says line weights and you make sure that you're looking at inches. And this adjust scale should be somewhere in the middle. And don't do it with me, just watch. Just watch. Okay, now, each layer has its own line type and line weight. So I'm going to make a new layer. And you'll see this layer, it says it's named 0. It has a color. And it has a line type. And it has a line weight. So I get to set each one of those every time I do a new type of line. So if I want to draw a new type of line, I make a new layer and I give it its own color. I'll make this one blue just for fun. And then I have to give it its own type. So I have to click on its line type. Right now it is continuous. So if I want to change it, I have to click on it. And then I have to load the type that I want. I know, I'll get there. But I'm going through the whole thing for you so that you're at the right spot. So I'm going to make this one center 2. And I click it so it is center 2. Okay. Now I have to set the line weight also. Right now it says default and I don't know what that means. So I have to come and make it something else. I'll make it kind of thick. 0.028 because I'm in inches. There. And now, whatever line I'm going to draw on, there it is. I'm going to draw my line. And there's a line. Okay. Well, I'm going to show you right now. Okay. My line weight tool that says show or hide line weights says it's off. So if I turn it on, it looks thick. Now the problem is it's so thick that it gets all blurry. So it's too thick. So let me change it to be less. Try 0.014. Now when my line weights are on or off, it kind of looks right. So you have to control line weights, whether they show on or off. You have to control what layer it's on. And from the layer, you set how thick it actually is when it's on, what line type it is, and what color it is. So I'm going to do one more for you. New layer. I'll make it a new color just to make it easy to see. I'm going to make it a new line type. I'm going to make it a new line weight, 0.010. And I'll make that current. So I'm drawing on it. I'm going to draw on it right here. And to make the line weights show, I click the line weight button. Now that one has a pretty thin line weight. So I can make it thicker. Okay, so you have to play with a few different things to get it to look like what you want. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Okay, so you got all those parts. So I'm going to stop the recording.